दाखवली. जाठराग्नी, there are 13 types of Agni. One is Jataragni, which is the main one. Then 5 Bhutagnis and 7 Dhatwagnis. So Jataragni initiates the first phase of digestion process by the conversion of food into nutrient fluid, that is Ahar Rasa. This nutrient fluid is then further trifurcated into 3 biological substances, which are our 3 doshas or 3 sthuna, that is Kapha, Pitta and Vata in Avasthapak. So, as the stages of Madhur Avasthapak, Amla Avasthapak and Katu Avasthapak are going, so the Kapha, Pitta and Vata and their Poshyansh develops there, that is nutrient fluid by the Ahar Rasa. Then this biofluid is separated into excrete useful product and waste products. This is done by the action of Samanvata. What do the Samanvata do? Samanvata analyzes and separates the useful products, that is Prasada and Kitta Bhaga. Useful products get absorbed by the villi of the intestine, and Kitta Bhaga or waste product is then forwarded to the large intestine. Then when this process gets over, then the process of Bhutagni and Dhatvagni takes place. These are simultaneous processes. 5 Bhutagnis and 7 Dhatvagnis work simultaneously to form the body entities. So, as we have to know the functions of Grahani, or we have how Grahani disease gets started, we have to know all these things. So, I have just narrated about Agni and their functions. Then Grahani, for the Grahani disease, what is the prevalence of the Grahani disease? It can be correlated with the IBD in the modern sciences. So the bimodal distribution has with the early onset of 10 to 20 years age, and the risk of IBD in family members affected individual has been reported in the range of 30%. So this is the prevalence of the Grahani disease. How the Grahani disease gets started, or what is the initiation of Grahani dosha, how Grahani dosha or Grahani gets vitiated. Charak has mentioned the ahar vidhi visheshayatana, or how ahar we can take our ahara. So if anyone is not following that rules and regulations of diet intake, that is they had mentioned as yo hi bhukte vidhin tyaktva grahani dosha jangadan sa laulyat labhate shigram. It means who eat food without following the rules and regulations of dietary intake, they will quickly suffer from the disease caused by vitiation of Grahani because of his greedy habits. So, yo hi bhunkte vidhim tyaktva sa laulyat labhate Grahani vyadhi. Then what are the causes of Grahani? अभोजनात, अजीर्णात, अतिभोजनात, विषमाशनात, असात्म्य गुरुशीत, अतिरुक्ष संदुष्ट भोजनात, विरेक वमन स्नेह, विभ्रमात व्याधिकर्षणात, देशकाल ऋतु वैषम्यात, वेगाणाम च विधारणात. And the Sushrut explain it as अतिसारे निवृत्ति अपि मंदाग्नेर अहिताशिनः भूय संदूषितो वन्नी ग्रहणीम अभिदूषयेत. It means Charak mentions the adhyashan is the Agriya Nidan. Charak explains Agriya Sangraha in Sutrasthana. So he mentions adhyashana is the Agriya Nidan of the Grahani disease. And according to Sushrut, Apatyahar Vihar Sevana is the cause of the Grahani disease, or Nivrutta Atisara, or the when the recovery from Atisara, immediately after that, if anyone anyone indulge apatya ahar vihara, then he will be cause grahani. So we can make it in categorize it in three forms as aharaj nidan, viharaj nidan, manasik nidan. So what are the aharaj nidan? Abhojana, that is abstinence from food. Ajirna bhojana, when there is a indigestion or the first food which we have taken is not digested, then on that we have taken the another food or the another dietary habits. Then ati bhojana, excessive intake of food, when we have the excess food intake which we do not require but we have going on taking it, that it is a ati bhojana. Vishamashana, irregular food habits, for the timing, for the all these things, these are irregular food habits. Asatmya bhojana, that is unwholesome diet. Ati ruksha bhojana, excessive dry food. Ati guru bhojana, it is the heavy food which is by the matra also or by swabhav also. It is the one of the cause of the grahani disease. Then shita bhojana, which is cold food or freeze products, fermented products also. Sandushta bhojana, it is a putrid food. Then ahitashana, incompatible food. Dushta ambu sevana, it means the polluted water drinking. Also viruddha ahara sevana. Then vyadhi karshanat, if anyone suffering from disease and it get debilitation due to disease, so it is also the cause for grahani. Then viharaj nidan. Viharaj nidan, we can see the aharaj nidan as like this, as picture explains more than words. See how aharaj nidan can be the positive factors for the grahani. Then viharaj nidan, what are the viharaj nidan? Viharaj nidan is viruddha, that is incompatibility of desha, kala, ritu. If there is a incompatibility of desha or country, or we have traveled to the another place and we are following our dietary habits, it will also the causative factor for the grahani. Then ritu vaishamya, if there is a summer season and the raining is having overloaded, then also if we have not following the dietary rules, then also it will cause the grahani. Then vega vidharana, suppression of natural urges, it is also included in the viharaj nidana. Then vyapata of vamana, virechana, snehapana, all these panchakarmas vyapat may be included in the grahani nidana. Then what are the manas hetu or manobhighataj hetu? That may be chinta, shoka, bhaya, krodha, all these things can be included in the manobhighataj hetu. Acharya Vagbhat, they had explained more manobhighataj hetu as like a kama, lobha, moha, irsha, shoka. These are also the manobhighataj hetu, also anxiety or distress. So, and Acharya Sushrut specially explained atisare nivrutti api grahani. So that is the indulgence of apathyakar ahara vihara immediately after the recovery of the from the atisara. That then it will also result in grahani. So we can consider atisara as a nidanarthakar rog of the grahani vyadhi. As there is a Agnimandya. So in Agnimandya, recovery after Atisara, there is Agnimandya. If in Agnimandya we have indulged Apatyakar Ahar Vihara, then also it causes the Grahani disease. So, what are the Purva Rupa of Grahani? Purva Rupam tu tasyedam Trushna Alasyam Balakshayaha Vidaho Annasya Pakascha Chirat Kayasya Gaurava. First one is Trishna, that is excess of thirst. Alasya, that is laziness. When the disease is going to start or going to get started, then these Purvarupa uh, we can suffer.